HMD Global, the company behind Nokia-branded phones, brought us a wave of nostalgia last year when it announced new version of the Nokia 3310 that could connect to 3G networks. Get ready for another blast to the past, because its next feature phone is the Nokia 8110, which as its name suggests includes support for 4G networks. Here's everything you need to know about this cool little phone. The Nokia 8110 4G has been a long time coming, but is now available to buy in the UK. The phone will be released on August 15th after a pre-order period starting August 9th. The phone costs £70, which is around $90, and is sold through retailers including Carphone Warehouse, Plus Vodafone, and O2 network stores. The Nokia 8110 was originally released back in 1996, and it was among the first of its kind to introduce the slider, a cover you can open by pressing a button to access the keypad or to answer a call. With the 4G 2018 model, you'll be able to slide open the phone to answer calls and close it to hang up. It's not as satisfying as hanging up a call on a flip phone, but we're getting closer than ever.